Gingerbread people, or simply gingerbread cookies. Warm spices mixed with butter, sugar, and flour. I can smell the holidays just thinking about them. Pumpkin pie spice gets all the glory in the United States during the holiday months, while apple pie spice follows a long distant second. But what about gingerbread spice? Stick around and I'll tell and show you all about it. Germany loves gingerbread spice. In fact, it's called Lebkuchengewürz. However, it's not as common in the United States. Gingerbread spice is quite different from those other well-known ones. The main ingredients in gingerbread spice are cinnamon and ginger. However, there is much more spice depth. Today I'm sharing a variation of the traditional German version. It is ginger focused with highlights of coriander and cardamom. With that, let's check out my gingerbread spice blend. For the ingredients, you'll need all ground spices to include cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, coriander, cloves, allspice, and nutmeg. In a small bowl, you're going to measure out and add 16 grams, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 11 grams, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, 2 grams, 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom, 2 grams, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 2 grams, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, 2 grams, 1 teaspoon of ground allspice, 1 gram, a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Use a spoon or a whisk to combine all the ingredients. Break up any small masses of spice. You could use the back of a spoon if you need to. You could also use a small sifter to also break up those spices. Once your spices are blended well, you're going to transfer them to a spice jar or a container that has a tight fitting lid. You could just spoon it in there. This gingerbread spice blend makes 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons. Now you can see it's ready to go, ready to be stored and used for any recipe that you need gingerbread spice. You could store a gingerbread spice blend in a sealed container for up to a year or based on the shortest expiration date of the oldest individual spice. Add this gingerbread spice in all your favorite recipes that call for any kind of mixed spice like pumpkin or apple, or even just cinnamon where you want a pronounced ginger flavor. Sprinkle it over your breakfast oatmeal, toast, eggnog, coffee, apple cider, mulled wine, or hot chocolate. Add it to spiced nuts, seeds, or roasted fall squash. And of course, why not add some gingerbread spice to your pancakes, waffles, or muffins? If you want to keep the recipe super simple, go with cinnamon and ginger in equal portions, and boom, you've got a very basic gingerbread spice blend. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. Until next time, spice up your life this season and go bake the world.